YouTube channel. It's your girl Ifeyinwa. This channel is all about lifestyle vlogs and talks. And if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe, I beg you, and click the like button. Share with your family and friends. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video, please. And if you're my normal subscriber, I love you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. So okay guys, today's video is all about me showing you guys around Mcc Uratta Road, showing you guys the massive development that is going on there. It's so beautiful, like very beautiful. So I decided to share it with you guys. It's not something I do normally on this channel, but this year I've decided to go out of what, like, I need to do things that on a normal occasion I can't do that. So that's the theme of this year. So if you want to see all those things, make sure you subscribe. And guys, not only this, I'm going to share video of an upgraded part of the road, so subscribe so that you can as well see it anytime they are done with the road, or whenever I see that the road is better than what it is now, what you guys are going to watch. So I'm going to show you guys that, and if there's any information I'm going to give you all later. Make sure you share this video with your family and friends. I love you all. Bye. Imo is one of the states in the country with sad tales of poor roads. Governor Uzodinma had always claimed that he inherited a number of bad roads from the immediate government. The Mcc Uratta Road in Owerri, capital city of Imo State, has been experiencing massive construction away from its previous deplorable state, which had exerted untoward hardship on the residents and road users. If you don't know where we are currently at Mcc Uratta Road that leads to Toronto Junction and Wedra Junction. The aim of this video is to show you the massive development that is happening on the road. If you knew this road before now, you will know that a lot of changes has happened. So guys, wear your seatbelts. Let's drive around Mcc Uratta Road. Thank you. To Owerri, I noticed that the problem Owerri, capital city of Imo State, have is they don't have an effective drainage system. During rainy season, you will find people struggling to pass through roads, cars struggling to come out of muds. Commercial vehicles and private vehicles will end up staying at home because they don't want to spoil their car. It's so very irritating to come out when it rains in Owerri. But in this development, they are making sure it has an effective drainage system, which is absolutely beautiful. Okay guys, hope so far you all have been enjoying this video. Please drop a comment on the comment box and like, share with your family. Thank you so much. I love you all.